5 steps for cleaning your home the fast and easy way. Everyone enjoys having a clean home, but not everyone wants to put in the time to get the job done, which might take hours. Especially if it's already a mess after a day. Today, we'd like to share with you 5 quick and simple cleaning tips for your home. 1. Work from the top of the room. If there is a lesson to be learned from cleaning your home, it is that it is always ideal to clean a room from top to bottom. This will ensure that as you remove dust and crumbs, they all fall to the floor, which is where you should end your cleaning process. It's a good idea to put any time-saving measures in place so you don't have to perform the same task more than once to make cleaning the house easier. For instance, you might end up having to sweep the kitchen floor twice if you clean the counters first. Therefore, when cleaning your home, start at the top and work your way down. 2. Multitask. Normally, people advise finishing the current task before going on, but when it comes to cleaning, there are some who disagree. When cleaning your kitchen, start by soaking the dishes in hot, soapy water before moving on to the table and counters. The dishes can soak longer as a result, which makes them simpler to clean. Also, multitasking house cleaning is at its best, for an example, when you start a load of laundry before going on to the other areas of the house. 3. Be prepared. Having a plan is always a good idea. Knowing where to start, what cleaning products and tools are required, and that everything is in its proper location, saves some time. To keep all of your cleaning supplies in one place at all times, a cleaning bucket is a great idea. You can locate the things you need faster and without having to make a guess. 4. Use the right household cleaners. Household cleaners are crucial to having a clean home quickly. It's crucial to have what you require for the task at hand, whether it's glass or ceramic cooktop cleaner. The use of the proper cleaning product can reduce the need for extra effort, save time, and make the process much simpler. The right tool, like a microfiber towel, will make all your cleaning tasks easier. 5. The secret sauce. Among these house cleaning secrets, this one may very well be the most crucial, and that's music in the background. Play your favorite tune, album or playlist, or whatever gets you going, and get to work. It will give you some extra energy to get the job done. You're welcome to use your wool duster as a microphone to sing along. Or use your vacuum cleaner like a guitar, it's totally cool. We hope these 5 easy house cleaning tips can help you get your home cleaning a good start. There's nothing better to sleep in a freshly made bed or just relaxing in your clean room or entire house. Thanks for watching, and if you liked this video, please feel free to like the video and subscribe. Thank you if you do.